Hello, today a bit different video because this will be a picking video, and this lock was left on my desk by a co-worker because he exchanged the locks on his front door, and this is a guard Dimple lock, and I suspect that this is a cheap Chinese lock that you don't really want to put on your front door. So this is the key, and you can see that the key works really smoothly. So I'm going to try and rake this lock using a Sparrow's S-rake. Okay, so let's clamp him up and see what we can do. Okay, so this is take 2 of trying to rake this lock. In the previous take I managed to rake it, but then failed to remove the circlip. So I'll put that take in the end of the movie, but now I'll put a temporary circlip just to make sure the cord doesn't pop out after raking, so the key still works. And I'll be using the Sparrow snake rake and a southward tension tool. Okay, so let's hope that this time things will be better. Okay, now to remove the temp clip. It should come out pretty easy. It's not even attached to anything. See, it was just a broken clip from some other Euro. And okay. Oh, this one is really stuck in there. So I think all of them will be standard. So standard, 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 and standard. So 5 standard, and let's see. Okay, so So at least it has an actuator and an extender. I think the extender is from the long side. Okay, so the last one is standard. Number 4 is standard. Number 3 and number 2 are, that's right, standard. And number 1 is, of course, standard. So none of the springs come out, so everything is standard. And so he was on someone's front door. Okay, so not the best security, just 5 standard locks, and I think the only security feature is the fact that it was Dimple lock, but I've managed to rake it with a regular rake. So sorry for the bad gutting process. I don't usually gut locks on video. Let's see the core. Nothing, no drill protection on the core. Nope, nothing here. There's sort of anti-drill pin here, but I doubt that it goes very deep. Okay, so that's it for this lock. Don't put Grand lock brand on your front door if you want any kind of security. Thanks for watching and good day. Alright, so he's in the vise, still works. And let's use this tension wrench from the Southward kit. And okay, this is hard through the camera. And the S-rake. So let's see if it will go in. Okay, so this is it. Do you really want to put this on your front door? Okay, let's see.